After 20 months of construction, designers and craftsmen are nearly finished with the first major addition to EPCOT Center, previewing the achievable future. Beginning October 1st, visitors will glide through mammoth motion picture projections and into three-dimensional sets. Programmers are now adding final movements to a cast of audio animatronic figures which portray 21st century families. Though family members are scattered among desert, undersea, and outer space communities, they use science and technology to bridge the vast distances between them. A family vacation could lead to a space colony for relaxation in a space-age spa. But space also has its serious side. In a zero-gravity lab, crystals more perfect than any on Earth are grown for high-tech applications. And best of all, scientists who helped design the futuristic attraction say everything in it is achievable.
Nothing in this pavilion is over the horizon. There are no anti-gravity platforms or perpetual motion machines in the pavilion, nothing that violates the laws of physics or extends beyond the bounds of the possible. Horizons is filled with things that we know how to do today or are learning how to do.
Horizons will be dedicated exactly 1 year after EPCOT Center opened, a year that has seen annual attendance at the Florida resort jump well past 22 million visitors. Terry McCorvey reporting, EPCOT Center, Walt Disney World.
Well, some ideas were a little shaky right at the start. Say, we're just in time for the matinee. Here comes... Everyone's a critic nowadays. My wife likes it, though. She and our daughter are always on about something. Got quite a green thumb, that one, girl. Like music? Unfortunately, some kids don't appreciate it.
I believe it. I can see the clouds. So does Harvey.
I need real shoppers.
Yeah, one of those is. Okay, Harvey 10. Let's recycle.
Ready for one.
Come on, kids. Underwater safety's no joke. Scott?
Yes?
Rules.
Stay in your group. Keep your buddy in sight. Always
Right, did everyone hear that? Yeah. Good. All I do is support one of the count bars. I do.
Don't let go of the hand. I'm gonna lose him. Your father will get you as soon as he manages to get your shoe.
Hey, Mom!
What is it, Tommy?
Look, Mom, I'm flying. Why don't you try it?
I don't know what I'm going to do with you. Don't let go of Napoleon. We don't want to lose him.
Hey, Mom, what if he just floats away?
He won't.
Hey, Mom, what if I just float away?
Then your father will get you as soon as he manages to get your shoe.
The essence of the show is, you could put it, visions of the past, present, and future, with emphasis on the future. We're not predicting the future, and the emphasis in our Horizons Pavilion, and the name gives it away, it's an achievable future. It's technology, it's in the laboratories now, it's on the horizon, that we can choose our future. And that's the main point we want the guests to leave, and we emphasize that with our finale, where we let them choose the ending to the show. This is unique. We've never done this before.
Nothing in this pavilion is over the horizon. There are no anti-gravity platforms or perpetual motion machines in the pavilion, nothing that violates the laws of physics or extends beyond the bounds of the possible. Horizons is filled with things that we know how to do today or are learning how to do. We are learning how to biologically engineer crops. We can make a holographic telephone. Robots are out there, and they're getting smarter every day. We can build jet-powered hovercrafts and mini submarines, and experiments are underway today to do kelp farming and undersea mining. General Electric's R&D people played a role in the evolution of Horizons through consultation, suggestions, and advice. We tried to make sure that Horizons did deal with the possible. We helped the Disney people stretch their imaginations, and we also helped them to rule out the purely fanciful, any violations of scientific laws. But really, we deserve almost none of the credit for that exhibit. That credit belongs 99 9/10% to the Disney team and to their GE advisors.
You gotta pay us big bucks.
We go for main engine start. We have main engine start.
He's been called the resident artist of outer space.
And the shuttle has cleared the tower.
For 25 years, Robert McCall has created images of this complex arena using the simple tools of his craft, paint and paintbrush.
Very exciting.
Since his first visit to an observatory, he's longed for a first-hand look at the world beyond Earth's atmosphere.
I guess there is no secret wish, it's not so secret really, that I have that excites me more than the prospect of someday flying in the space shuttle.
Like space itself, his works often assume gigantic proportions. Mammoth murals already hang at the Johnson Space Center in Texas and the Air and Space Museum in Washington. Now, McCall has created a new mural, 60 feet across and 19 feet tall, destined for a futuristic setting not far from the Space Center at Walt Disney World's new EPCOT Center. The painting, which took 9 months to complete, depicts man's accomplishments through the ages and leads into a visionary city of tomorrow.
I just wish that I could live forever. I would like to see this future unfold, and I'm not, naive. I know that we're confronted with obstacles, and there will be problems to overcome, and there will be probably wars. I don't see that ending, but I think that there will be a continual progress.
McCall's mural is the finale of a new pavilion being completed in Future World at EPCOT Center. Horizons, a ride through adventure, previews what life might be like in the 21st century using scale model views of future communities, including an outer space colony, undersea habitat, and a desert farm. This is Terry McCorvey reporting.